Yo, what is Gucci everybody on YouTube, and thank you guys for tuning in to another Bear Flakes TV video. If you guys are tuning in, I highly appreciate y'all, and thank you guys for all the love. If you guys are still supporting this channel, I know the pickups are super slow and I've been doing a lot of trip to the thrifts. Whatever the case is, if you guys are still rocking with me, I appreciate y'all. And yeah, so today's video is going to be on recent pickups. Alright you guys, so like I said, I do have a couple of items from Nike, and I do have some vintage pieces, 3 vintage t-shirts, 2 boxes from Nike, and a jacket that I picked up from the clearance store in Oregon. So let's just hop into it right now. So I know it's heading into the spring and summertime, but I don't really need jackets right now, especially in Vegas. But I did really like this one, and it was only $35. I don't work at Nike anymore, otherwise it would have been cheaper. But I did find this at a clearance store in the midway point of Seattle and or Washington and Oregon. I don't know exactly, I think it's called Centralia. But it's a clearance store out there. They do have some nice stuff from time to time. The vlog for that will be up very soon, so if you guys want to stay tuned, if you guys aren't subscribed, subscribe. But yeah, we did vlog in there, but this was one of the items I found in there. This is a Nike SB bomber jacket. I just really liked the Carhartt color, or the worker jacket color. I don't have anything like this, so I do find myself wearing this a lot next. Alright you guys, so Richie Lee did post a recommendation on t-shirts that kind of look like the Nike Fear God t-shirts, as far as it being a boxier fit, and so I did want to buy a couple of those. I'm not too sure what's in the bag and what's in the Nike box, so I'm just gonna do the hopefully it doesn't have an address on it. I'm just gonna do the bag first. So here is the bag. I got my knife. I don't think I can rip it open with my hands, so cut away from you. And yeah, so here it is. Let's see what's in here. I'm sure it's probably, oh, it's a t-shirt. So here you guys go. This is the loose fit Nike basketball t-shirt. I'm not too sure if these are available. If they are, they will be linked down below in the description. Alright you guys, so this is the loose fit basketball t-shirt. Richie Lee did recommend this, and I wanted to check it out, see what it was about. From material standpoint, I think it feels really nice. It kind of gives me like a little, it gives me like a little tech fleece vibe. These retailed at $45, but I do have the plug. So shout out to my girlfriend for helping me out with this. I got 2 size larges. This is the gray one I purchased. And really, as far as like quality and stuff goes, I really like how these feel. I'm not gonna lie. And then we'll just go ahead and unbox this box. But one thing I do really like about Nike, I really haven't ordered anything from them. I guess this is like a win-lose situation. Like, people know you ordered from Nike, but the little details are nice, you know what I mean? But yeah, so unboxing this little box. I don't want to put addresses on there. I did pick up the black version of this t-shirt. I'm not going to take it out. It's the same as the gray, same material. Oh wait, I was about to say, why is this a medium? This is a black t-shirt, just black with like a little gray lining. If this is available, I'll link it down below like I said. If not, I do apologize. I'll try and link it. We'll see what happens. So if not, just check the links down below. And then I also picked up some shorts. It's about to be short season, and Nike did release a couple of short shorts. So I did pick up a black pair. I wish the green pair was available, but the black pair was kind of the only one that I really wanted. So I'm super stoked about these, and I will make a video separately about top 5 shorts I'm gonna be rocking this spring and summertime, because you know it's about to be short season. Alright you guys, so that wraps it up as far as the Nike pickups. And right here I do have 3 vintage t-shirts that I'm about to show you guys. One of them I did find at a thrift store. This one I found, if you guys watched the vlog, I found this at a Buffalo Exchange. And then this one I picked up from yesterday's Fits, a NASCAR tee. But yeah, so the first t-shirt, shout out to OBJ, you know, going to Cleveland. I picked this up at the right time. I thought the tie-dye was super dope. I honestly was going to sell this, and then OBJ signed, so I was just like, let me keep it, because the value kind of went up. And as I wear a Seahawks hat, I know I'm a little hype beast kid, whatever the case is. But this is a Cleveland Browns tie-dye t-shirt. I don't know who was number 2 at the time or whose t-shirt this is, to be honest. I just like vintage stuff. I'm not very big on vintage players or like throwback players, whatever the case is. But this t-shirt was printed in 1999. You can barely see it, but yeah, so this shirt's from 1999. I thought the freaking tie-dye was sick. I thought the front was sick. So I'm gonna rock it this summer, you know, with OBJ being there in Cleveland. I also picked up the Holiday World Legend Don't Look Back t-shirt. This kind of gave me a Astroworld type of vibe. I did really like the tie-dye. Me and my girlfriend both agreed that this shirt was so ugly that it looked nice. It looked nice on me. This is a size XL. I do like the oversized fit. This was printed on an Anvil t-shirt. This was 11 bucks at the Buffalo Exchange in town. But yeah, so there you guys go. I think this was a ride on the East Coast. I think Virginia or something. We looked it up. I don't really know, but I thought it was cool. And yeah, so front and back, I thought the tie-dye was cool. 11 bucks, not too bad. Alright you guys, I don't really know anything about NASCAR, but this is the last pickup and I was super stoked about it because I thought the shirt was just super nice. It is printed on a Logo Athletic t-shirt. This is a size XL, I believe. So size XL, Logo Athletic. This was picked up from Yesterday's Fits, which is a resale store in Vegas. I pretty much traded something. I traded in like 3 items that I found at the thrift that wasn't selling on my website, and I got this t-shirt because I thought the colors were super nice. So it is a double-sided tee with nice colors in my opinion. I don't know who John Force is, but this shirt was super cool to me. Alright you guys, yeah, so last pickup of the day, the NASCAR tee all over print, whatever the case is. This is super nice. I can't wait to rock this in the summertime. It does have the baggier vibe as well because it is an XL, not a large. But yeah, so there you guys go. Alright you guys, so that wraps up the video. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button for me. It goes a long way. And then also leave a comment. I like interacting with you guys, commenting back, whatever the case is. So if you guys do leave a comment, it does mean a lot to me, whether it's feedback, whether it's just you stopping by. I appreciate the comments, and if you guys aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. We're trying to hit 6,000. I don't even know when, but I'm still trying to grow. I'm still trying to push videos. I've been caught up with life. I know there's no such thing as like excuses. I'm trying to just grind. I say this all the time, so I'm just gonna shut up. But yeah, so if you guys are tuning into the end of the video, I really appreciate y'all. And if you guys haven't checked out my Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, whatever the case is, go ahead and check it out. Everything you guys need will be linked down below. And then also, I'm gonna turn it over. If you guys haven't checked out bflakessupply, which is my website with a lot of vintage, a lot of new school, a lot of like, it's just like a site for me to grow my channel, help me fund my channel. So if you guys wanna go ahead and check it out, please do so. I do have some steals and deals on there. And I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the love. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm trying to do the once a week thing right now. I do have some vlogs and more stuff on the way. So stay tuned for that. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Y'all have a good one. Peace. Yeah.